them on the phone screen. Cause some girl them can't put a baby on them phone screen. Because them baby ugly. When the girl them pretty baby there, you can call her baby Paris. You can call her baby France. You can call her baby Paul. When the girl them know the pretty baby, press me a puppy. Every girl with the pretty baby, show me the baby there. Show me the baby there on the phone screen. Look at the girl them on the phone screen where your kids are missing. We have the phone man up for the kids there. We have the phone man up. We have the kids there. We have the anthem. We have the anthem. We have the anthem. We have the girl them on the national belly. Clap yourself. If you never national belly, clap yourself. Clap yourself. Oh, shit, pull up. Stop it again. Stop it again. No. No. Hello. Lean around your surround at one part. How you feel? How you feel? Mother's Day, how you feel? If you know I say a dash on the belly. The girl that will never dash on the belly, go so put them in the ear. But the proud baby Mother's Day, put them in the ear. The girl that with a pretty phone screen, put them some more and more, some more baby. More baby. You have some girl that treat baby and the baby ugly. To the right baby, baby got a school register. This I'm confused. The principal not tell them baby. When the girl about was a play a baby pretty, when they register your baby, principal want the baby in the school. Play by the sock puppy.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So freestyle, we're in Kingston. It's all about the land, and as you can see, we're on the waterfront. Nice energy, nice atmosphere, and I'm telling you, the massive are rolling in. In a few minutes, the place is going to transform, and we're just going well a mad party vibes. But not only that, on the 1st of June, the land will return to New York City. So just lock the date and get on the tickets. So right about now, we're just going to go inside. We're just going to all vibe, freestyle up on the ground. I tell you, wherever the bad events at, we're here. No matter where them, I go find them. So right now, it's all about the land. We're in a Kingston, Jamaica, and it survives. So New York City on the 1st of June, we come back to you, so just stay tuned for that. Yo, DJ Kid, you know the vibes, you make it happen. Big up, we're out like normal. Kaboom, freestyle.
Jesus Christ, when I trip before That a little juggling part. Yeah. That a little juggling part. Yeah. Well, come cool a vibe now, papi. Zim my girl, them alright. You see what I mean? Yeah, we come for party and enjoy ourselves. Big up all of the beautiful mothers them in our place. Big up all the man them in our party where I make money and mommy alright. A Mother's Day. Big up all the girl them in our party where I make money and mommy alright. Enough man and woman make money and go buy vehicle first for themselves. Mommy and feel live comfortable. You can live in a concrete house and your mother live in a board house. If you love and respect mommy, 200 a year please and tax me and ask you. And God come first and mommy second. Every real people in that place. Put up your hand and say.
Hey mama, hi mama. Mama, mama don't cry.
If you love mom, put that down there for mommy, sir. Put up your hands, sir. Mommy have been comfortable, alright. The Lord is ready. The Lord is ready. Wanna sing the part of the mommy now? Go.
Thank you mama for the 9 months you carried me.
Mommy.
Mama, where would I be?
If you respect mommy, 200 years of him, put them up.
Would I be without mama?
Put them up for mommy, sir.
Mommy, me love you, there's nothing I do without you. No house, not a girl, not a car. Stand firm in my life, nothing about you. From a body, me and you are
Pick it up. Princess.
Mommy, I'm a daddy first.
Me say, mommy, alright. We have your for mommy now. Put up your hand for mommy right now. Put them up here, look. Me and look. So what's that? Me say, mommy, come second, come first. If you're supposed to put up your hands on here again. Sing to me. Wanna sing the part now?
My mama, she don't want me no more.
Some boy go don't mind that now, mind them father. Let's say, put yourself in the boy.
In this time and in this
What we have to do?
take that
You know why I did it?
mama still mama still
The boy not going like that. Put him up. And the mother juggling this. Hey, Kenny bro. Hey, Kenny bro.
She has a farm and all them streets and she tired of the cold concrete. My mama stack 1,000 feet with a smile by me all and cheek. Cause mama love me. Mama pride and mama love.
Move it. Unforgettable.
Mama your love is divine, yeah.
Move it off your hands. You have to be comfortable.
I keep it
And if you bring me the cause to testify, your love will not abide. The love that make me strong for joy. On the God's eyes, my kids from this Banka Lock.
Wanna get sing that part there?
Things I'm a man of a Jew.
Wanna get sing that part there? Wanna sing it down now? Sing it down.
Judge said,
Sing to me.
tell me if you're mad, I know my one.
If you can't keep a friend, put your hand on the ear, son. If you respect your friend beside you, give your friend a high five now. If you love the friend, give your friend a high five now. Real do a real. Real recognize real. And real represent for real. If you love your friend beside you, put up your hand and say.
Them say you're not a trust friend, cause a friend kill the most friend. And him once was a close friend, despite all the love what you showed them. From them we must
I don't cry, shut up, let it go. Listen, I don't see body, you know. I can't sing the part there. Wanna sing it? Wanna sing it? What else?
Good friend, they come one time in my life. But them see the habit of your tattoo, you like. Me ratings, me wanna be friend them so high, so high. So high, and you blocks. Good friend, and they come one time in my life.
The girl wanna take your friend and you have your hands of your friend. We have hands of your friend. Put up your hands. Make them sick, puppet. I don't want to come from far. Who come from far? Who me know? Who me know? Sing for me. Sing for me. If you don't know, put up your hand.
Someone can step to me.
Everybody. Ladies, watch on the call, friends. Some girl tricky like dice, yeah? Yes, sir.
You know when a friend from them call them on full of
Hold on, brother. Like this. Who know that now? Oh, you just give me a box now. Everybody start box now. Give me the box now. Everybody start box now. Move around. Move around. Move around. You show you're on a cloud. Move around. Move around. Move around. You show. Every girl, box your friend. Box your friend. Watch the girl them a box them friend. Box your friend. Box your friend. We can dance in it. Everybody.
So we press gas, press gas, press gas.
We can move on first. Signal the plate. Signal the plate. Signal the plate. Signal. Hold on, hold on. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Everybody start. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Everybody start. But come on, right floor. Right floor. Watch the party you go New York. Right floor. Put the ball with one girl. Don't blood sweet move. You know why? What no? Wait, Jack is afraid. I can say, can you? Me love the girl that come in never trust them. All I want them to tell you some school days. You can represent the school. You can represent your school. What a line up here.
Hey, I be a girl is so elegant. I be a girl is so generous. I be a girl is so popular. Sabi girl them love me. I be a girl is so Casey. I be a girl is so JC. I be a girl is so Calabar. Hear me the bridge code. Water for you. Want a girl me say rivers for sure.
Sorry, my boss.
Pop, read it alone. Let me. Listen to my argument now. No boy will go all boy school. Can't say my girl is to me. No boy will go all boy school. Can't say my girl is to me.
You know what you up this evening? When they never catch me feelings. We might a deal, but we not in no dealings. When they never catch me feelings.
That's me. Every girl move up and down in here. All you are after what the sun combination.
Nobody distress me, nobody will pick up on me. Anything me and you can swing pussy from me.
Why?
Fuck me from time to time, but you don't own me.
Let the party play. What do your boy for economics? And him a call my phone. Just answer my things of Mr. Man.
Someone who shit them girl, what do them brother? You feel she just a fuck you along, alligator. Look on the shirt, put me a weird look on them leather. You look on my fucking shirt, cause it's on them cheddar. Come show me your head, anytime when you fuck around, I catch me there. You want to see how much you drunk, you know me better. You want to see me get a read on the liquor red. She vex with you and shit. Whenever I treat her, pick up my phone, she doesn't find a cellular.
Orient freestyle. New York.
The man them in that party when a girl can't style the white clock a block in here now. That's why. What am I doing? Some girl fi know them space. Wanna sing this?
That boy and tomorrow you are dead for hunger. All the girls put their hands wave your hand like this. If a nasty boy want one, make him go on. The girl about to work a man and wave your hand please and dance. The girl with a small business raise your hand please and dance. The girls that your kids them clean and comfortable, clap yourself please and dance. All of the girls that want to say not depend on nobody, spin a roll and say.
I'm an independent lady.
Let me dance to me. What do you want with tonight?
Me a roll out pocket on feel like it. You work your clothes in a real life. Not good for a boy with a feel like. Can buy something drink you will feel like. You better worry about me, call me alright. You are free over standing on your side. It's like
Kick your man away, get close. We have your gun now. Awa. Awa.
the year of my own looks so fine. To love the music, a party time. Tell the haters to stay behind.
What do you think to me? The gentleman on the way close. Take 2 steps forward. Take 2 steps forward. Yeah, man, I want you to spin on the roll now. The gentleman across is now follow you. Spin on the roll, please, and dance.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Bounce your friend, little girl, bounce your friend. Bounce your friend, little girl, bounce your friend. Watch the girl, them and bounce them friend. The girl with your life comfortable. You're not different from the one that I talk. Baby, you can spin the roll. Every girl, come. Papi, I see him singing more, you know. Hold on, Javi. I now mash up yourself, man. I now mash up yourself. But from what at this we are running in a dance hall. Cause no found a girl, cause I try to keep it clean as possible, you know. No found a girl wanna buy them on a phone and put Ronald and Messi for the screensaver. You can't put on yourself for the boy screensaver. Every woman in that party will have pretty kids. Make me see the picture of them on the phone screen. Every woman will know your baby beautiful. Make me see the pretty baby them on the phone screen. Cause some girl that can't put a baby on the phone screen because them baby ugly. When the girl have a pretty baby there, you can call her baby Paris. You can call her baby France. You can call her baby Gold. When the girl that know the pretty baby, press me a puppy. Every girl with a pretty baby, show me the baby there. Show me the baby there on the phone screen. Look at the girl that put the phone screen where your kids are missing. We have the phone man there for the kids there. We have the phone man there. We have the kids there. We have the anthem. We have the anthem. We have the anthem. We have the girl that never dash out there. Clap yourself. If you never dash out there, clap yourself. Clap yourself. Wow, she pull up. Stop it again. Stop it again. No. No. Hello. Lean around your surround at one part. How you feel? How you feel? Mother's Day, how you feel? If you know I say a dash on the belly. The girl that never dash on the belly, go so put them in the ear. But the proud baby Mother's Day, put them in the ear. The girl that with a pretty phone screen, put them some more and more, some more baby. More, some more baby. You have some girl that 3 baby and the baby ugly. To the right baby, baby got school register. This baby. I'm confused.
The principal now take them baby. When the girl ever do is to play your baby pretty, when they go register your baby, principal want the baby in the school. Play by the sock puppy. Stop. The brother will drive the white van, a license plate number 5191 LM is a white IS. Move your vehicle. The white Honda is 7808 KB. One white Honda Civic, move your vehicle. You know me not like with some other girl. So there are two more songs I'm playing, coming out of my shop the same. You know me not like with some other girl who not take the people, man. I want the girl confront her and say, hey girl, yes, are you on the board? Yeah. Me? I never mean, I'm a friend. Because the girl I'm going to do is say, when you take a girl, man, you can't see her, you know why?
No girl can't see me up off of them. Them a man can't tell me walk on them. You know, out me on them.
Sit the part. If you know you will take a girl man, you don't care. Talk to her. Talk to her. The girl over there on the ears. Stop. Someone a girl a liar. Remember them say 50% of Jamaican women and men have ears. The girl over there say they have the ears. We have the dance and never.
Introducing Vanessa Blee.
When you get your car, somebody else.
So slim. In the girl, you can stand up. Me.
Mr. Dapusia.
People, my wife they here. But what me ever say, babes, I'm very sorry. Me I tell you from now. People, my wife is here. But what I'm about to say, babes, I'm very sorry. Why do you have a sex pack with my ex-girlfriend? My sex pack with my ex-girlfriend, what do you have? I like her a long time now. I love the girl. So if I sex her back and send her home, she call me and say,
Morning sir, tell the cocky eye.
She said,
Morning sir, tell the cocky eye. Morning sir, tell the cocky eye.
She said,
Morning sir, tell the
Happy don't give her much trouble. Don't know anything though. Johnny Supreme, Papa Banka. The unit. They are all a fight. So the unit, you know anything already. Remember Law New York, June 1st. You see me? Tulani and Rivers, get the thing them together, I don't know. With their foot. You see me? June 21st, I don't know anything about ABC. See me? Trouble. Remember Friday with that taboo, manager's ball. You see me I talk about trouble. Remember Monday with that taboo again, Beer Mondays. Tuesday with that taboo again, Lean at Nice birthday party. You see me I talk about Wednesday with that taboo again. And every Sunday with that Danny Sunday. You see me? Don't know anything about it. So they own it. You know about this come down. Trouble.
One voice and down voice, you know. The unit here. The unit here.
You know alone, you know. You know Mother's Day. Everybody were there in a real life. We can shout out your mother name. Shout out your mother name right now. Big up Lola Mackenzie, my mother, in a real life. Zane, I don't love your mother, but 3 million blank over here for mommy. Cause if I never mommy you there, you know. Zane, I don't love life, put your 2 over your head. Although a party with your friend, bust $1 million blank for your friend. Although I will enjoy myself right now in a real life, Russia. Let's go.
After sleep in the sunlight, and the eyes in the sunlight, and the season of my phone, the only nigga you need someone dig it up, dig it up. My life, so this my thing. Yo, you're messing with my last time, the only song.
Kingston 91 11. Ladies, are you ready? Let's go! Me not hear you. Alive.
What are you going to go about me then? All the male ladies, put your hands over your head. The June, July girl, them. The girl me do a year about time best, but we have the other side, baby.
You can't stand right.
You're the unit.
Ready.
Now get some space. Everybody get some space. Get some space. Mama just rock your waist. Get some space. Get ready. say alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Listen, it makes somebody say something. Don't know. Okay. Now disrespect somebody though. Please. Don't know? Okay. Lan, please. I want to stop at the party. Cut the crap. Okay? Now the disrespect a girl in our falls here now.
Yeah, nice,
okay. All over there party in a real. Look at us get back the money. Let's go.
I like your outfit bad.
Ladies, you don't want to hear woman song or gunman song. If you don't want to hear woman song, scream.
Play for the girl, them, bro.
Because if you don't want to play gunman blood clean song, the girl may want sex in her body, it's a real.
Try take time and sit down on body. Sit down on body. Grab a chair and sit down on body. Sit down on it, sit down on it, panic. Watch this. Balance on it.
Come on, man, over for the boy when they buck on you. I'm gonna hear man. Get over the panic. fire now. Wave your hand, mama. You're independent. Wave your hand, mama. The girl them are not broke her eye. Wave your hand to yourself, school just start back. And some girl fit there. They fit there and not to go back to school. The woman never know say, oh, school are full. We be on that take them down here.
So now discuss no for me no lips. And if I got get you.
Ladies, father gotta watch you. And father gotta look. Don't, ladies, this is a part where you cannot be a liar. You gotta be truthful. The girl them inside here tonight who have never fucked on your man, scream and make some noise. Like on anybody else.
Lock it on.
Mama rephrase it. The girls them who have never give away the vagina scream and make some noise. The man them wanna believe that? The man them wanna believe that? One nigga over here said the man a pint out about 5 y'all said the 5 of them wicked. Listen to me. The girl never know say you're bad girl and you fuck for a boy already. Scream now, woman.
We can't believe it.
Like them a tell my room.
Got the talking on the street.
Them a patrol me in front of them.
You got the pussy when they looking for. Girl, you put on the match the car. So come roll with a superstar. Taxi punani, stay away from the ladies, why go ladies? Peace up, killer, tell it hard, said, Sierra, Anna, Ross, Clad, killer. Lord, woman says she can't hear it. Your body neat, you good girl. Turn your bumper around. All the ladies who know say nobody can smell you because you don't breathe. Give me this, let me know, go. Lord, let me know. I know. The gangster friend them, we don't have to bust them. We don't want to see what I want. Look over this in the river. All of the female them are there. We never take a box from a girl, bust 3 million blank over your head. Watch out, go. You hear that, no? So, the woman never know nothing can lick your picnic in a box, but not that bust $1 million now. All of the woman them, we black fire go school. She won't be a black clean right to that tennis. This man from 90s, not a belly make you know what a hollow mind is. You all ever my name was more than business. You wear up to life like 7 series. That's how we shut up, anybody need it. You love stop, stick with the glass, with the list. So now I can say, you want to see this. This man from 50s, I'm fast, you want nothing right. When I fry, it's so easy. goes up. Everybody 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 goes up. In the shoes, no fit on. Let me something shot, let me something start. This say you put my money now.
Yo, my general, level. My general, blessed morning. Good morning. No, blessed good morning.
Blessed good morning, bro.
What do I need? What do I need?
Shepherd.
Jefford, are you here for this? Let me see. No, but just look on the phone. Jefford, Mama, come here. Let me see the pretty phone. And what kind of phone this? 16, iPhone 16. Where are you, Mama? Chelsea. She give me 2 phones. Lord, Chelsea gave me her 2 phones. The party don't know about me.
New York ladies, on the
Chelsea,
party.
if I please, every woman will love them friend and rate them blood clean charging. No boss a million blood in a Chelsea.
New York City, the land is coming.
Liga away these phones. We get away and box again, get it then.
The man must say, boom, boom, raise up your hand in the air, sir. Baby, the boy party as a man, don't know,